Good evening, Dr. Council and fellow classmates. Today, I will be instructing you on whether or not when you're buying your next truck, whether to go with a diesel or a gas engine. From the chart, you can see that a 2008 6.4 liter diesel will have 18 miles to the gallon, whereas its counterpart, the 5.8 liter gas, will have only about 15, but that's not when towing. As stated from Chapter 9 of Deanna Sklar's book, Auto Repair for Dummies, diesels are more fuel efficient than gas motors. From the chart, you can see that it's a cost analysis between both the motors. In an 06 medium-duty diesel truck, the purchase price of the whole entire truck would be $55,000 towards where the gas is only $50,000. It's a $5,000 difference, which doesn't mean anything. The maintenance cost per year, though, does. For the 2006 diesel, you're getting about $1,600 a year in maintenance, which is a lot better than the $3,000 a year in maintenance for the gas. From Ranch Hand's website, it states gas motors need a spark ignition to crank, whereas diesels do not. As you can see here, fuel per year at $2.60 a gallon and $2.25 a gallon for the gas, at 15,000 miles, at 6 miles to the gallon, you're going to be spending per year $6,500, whereas in the gas, with 3 miles to the gallon, you're going to be spending $11,000. You're basically saving about $5,000 in total. From the chart, you can tell that it's on the engine temperatures between a 1.6 liter gasoline engine and a 1.8 liter diesel engine, whereas the gas is higher and the diesel is lower. At 600 seconds or even 400 seconds, the gas motor is about 350 to 380 degrees Celsius, whereas the diesel is still ranging around in between 100 and 200 degrees Celsius. From the website Diesel Service and Supply, gas engines burn hotter than diesel engines, thus leaving them to last a lot longer. The longevity of a diesel engine, you get about for stock, you get around 500,000 to 700,000 out of a diesel, whereas a gas, you're lucky to get around 400 to 300,000. As for this is just a comparison of both the motors. This one is a 5.3 liter gas Chevy, and this one's a 6.4 liter Ford Powerstroke. As you can tell, the gas has less parts, whereas the gas has one battery, the diesel has two. Even though the batteries are not on the screen, there's two batteries in total. The diesel also has more parts up on top of the motor and all around the sides, whereas the gas just has simple stuff. You can practically camp in the gas one. Thank you, Dr. Council and fellow classmates, for listening to my speech on whether or not, when you're buying a new truck, you should go with either a diesel or a gas. In my opinion, I would go with the diesel.